Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Yes, I bought 2 bags of Dollar Tree makeup and beauty products. I'm looking for more affordable makeup. This is my Dollar Tree makeup haul. And I'm excited. I wanted to share everything that I got with you, and we will come back and do looks with this. So I do higher end, medium to higher end products as well. But I said, let me go to the Dollar Tree because I heard they really been doing well. I went to the Dollar Tree. I always get my candles from there. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees and I got 2 different bags. It is 2 bags, baby. So let's get right on into this. So let's start with these. These are the retinol. These are makeup wipes, and these are 30 makeup wipes. And I bought 2. So I have 2 of these. The lady in the aisle with me, she bought like 6. So I said, yeah, they must be good if she bought that. All right, and then I saw this L.A Color Volume Thickened Lashes. Yes, I haven't tried this one, but they mascara is awesome. So this is the Volume Thick Lash Mascara. Can't wait to try that. Mascara. And I found this Wet n Wild Enhancing and Define Full Healthy Lashes. This is also a mascara, and this is clean definition. So this is supposed to really make your lashes pop. I did pick up this smoky liner brush. I love smoky liner brushes, so yeah, I do need this. This is for the water in my eye. I use that. And then I bought some top coat. This is L.A Color. This is Rapid Dry top coat, and I was running out of my other one, so I absolutely grabbed that one. So I bought 2 of the e.l.f. This is the Spot Gel with Aloe for your acne, and I tend to get little like a little pimples around my chin area. So I picked up 2 of those, and this is for fighting acne. I mean, come on, e.l.f., you are rolling. And I got 2, honey, 2 of them. So next up, oh, and I can't wait to try this out. This is the e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is in color Brushed Copper, and this is the liquid. A girl can't wait to get in this. Like, I'm going to get in this. I can't wait. You know what? I'm going to swatch this because, yeah. I said if I get across some that is amazing, we're going to go ahead and do the swatch. So, I'm going to open this thing, and this is the new one. And I saw it, I was like, yay! And this is in color Brushed Copper. And here it is there, if you could see that. Yes, that is so pretty. Let me do it here. Yeah, so let's swatch it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that is beautiful, you guys. Okay, I'm loving this. And this is, yeah. Oh, this is also the e.l.f. This is the Voluming Mascara. And this is in color black, and you see the bristles there. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I couldn't wait to get into this. This is the L.A Color Loose Powder Eyeshadow, and this is in color Lollipop. And honeys, look how cute that is. Like, yeah, this one is gorgeous. And it has a cute little brush. Let's open it, okay. So that's the color Lollipop there. And that is pretty. Look how sparkly that is. I can use that to create a look. Something a little cute, right? Yeah, that'll work. Yep. There it is. All right, Lollipop. Can't beat that. It was only $1. L.A Color. Shimmering Loose Powder. And then that Lollipop is pretty cute. This is the e.l.f. This is the moisturizing lipstick in Wine Tour. And I have a few of these that I ordered. But I don't think they were $1. I think they were a little more than $1. But anyway, they have it now, and I love this color. Wine Tour. It is really, really pretty. So yeah, I did pick up another brush. And yes, this is the contouring brush. Who does not love contouring brushes? Yes, girl. You have to contour. Next, and this is the e.l.f. lip stain, and this is in color Nude Nectar. And this one was going off the shelves really fast. So I said, let me try it. And this is the new and improved one. So, yes. Oh, yes. I did pick up. Now, this is the one I tried. This is the L.A Color Bold Lash Defining Brush. And this is the mascara. And this is the one that I've used. And it's in very black. And I really like this. Here is another one. I had to get this one. This is another loose powder from L.A Color. And this one is in color Honeysucker. I saw that color and I was like, oh yeah, had to get it. So yes, I got that one. I didn't even know they carried these. These are the shine eraser tools for that tea shine that I have. Like, I'm so oily skin, so I either keep some blotting paper or I keep my pressing powder with me. This one is really good, and then it contains 50 sheets, so this will work. Oh, and these are two of my favorites too. These are the Wet n Wild lashes. They come with the glue as well, and I got two of them. And honey, look at that. Just look. I have to do a close-up. Look how cute those are. Yes, I can't wait to try these out. And let me show you the other ones. Yes. So I got two of those. Lashes, more lashes. Yes. And then I got another one. Oh, here go the Kiss. This is the e.l.f. This is Lip Kiss Balm Smoochy Spice. And yeah, hold on. Let's see this color, you guys. Oh, that is beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this is more like a lip balm. So it's, oh, okay. So yes, it's a lip balm. But it has that pretty color, which is pretty. This is, oh, here go another lip stain. I bought two. So yeah, and this one is in Nude Nectar. This is another one I bought of the blotting papers. I thought I bought one. I remember I said I went to two different stores. Yeah. So I did. I bought two of them. And they both contain 50 sheets. So yes, the next time I go back, I'll still get more. Keep those, right? And then I did get another lip balm. So I will be putting these probably in a giveaway because I did get two of these. So I got two of something. I'm going to do a low end. And then I'll do some mid to high end products. And then for our next giveaway, this one is another one. This is in the Smoochy Spice, the one I just tried out, and it's a lip balm, and it gives that pretty berry spicy color. Yes. And then I bought two of these. This is the Lip Duo lipstick and lip gloss for glamorous. This is for glamorous lips with moisturizing and high shine, and this is in color Twinkle. Yes. And then I bought another one. And this is the same glossy shine lipstick and lip duo. And this is in Clarity. Yes, in color Clarity. Oh, and I did get another one. And this is in color Flushed. And yes, if you could see that. That is pretty. Down to my last two items, you guys. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I did pick up a palette because I do want to do a look with the affordable makeup. So I have a lot there to do a look with. So this is in Chic, color Chic, and look at those colors. Beautiful, right? So I can create something really, really pretty with this. Let's open it and swatch a few. 12 colors. Let's pull it up close. So this is in color Chic. And you see the colors are really pretty. So let's swatch a few. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is this color here, that lighter color. Yeah, that's pretty cute. It's pigmented too. And then this like this lighter purple color in the front there. Yes. Oh, that's pretty. Yep. And then let's do one more. This is like a lighter color, darker purple, and then they're like shimmery, honey. Yes, so this is the darker, more of a purple. This is the lighter color, the lighter purple, which is in Chic. It's the only palette I got. I saw a few other ones, but I saw this one, and I wanted to try some looks out with that. The last items I got, and I got these. This is the Dove Intensive Care Nourishing Care Cream. I had to get this. I just opened it. Oh yeah, look at this. So this is hand cream. Yes. Oh, it smells good too. I should have bought more. I will go back and grab some more before they all go. Yes, you guys, that was all of the items I brought from the Dollar Tree. I'm excited about it. They got great products. So I will come back and do some looks and let you know how I like these. I'll do a review on some of those products. Now, if you like this video or like more videos, me to do more videos of affordable makeup, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Click that notification button. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.